Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings pop? Imagine a home that sparkles and shines, drawing in potential buyers like moths to a flame. Welcome to TidyTex Home Cleaning, where we turn that dream into reality. As a retired Army veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we pride ourselves on delivering reliable, professional cleaning that gets homes ready to sell. Our team specializes in helping realtors prepare properties for showings, ensuring every corner gleams. With quick turnarounds and meticulous attention to detail, we help you close deals faster. Picture this: a home that feels inviting, clean, and bright. Ideal for open houses and buyer visits. Here's a tidy tip for you. Open all the blinds and turn on every light before a showing. This simple trick makes spaces feel larger and more welcoming, highlighting the home's best features. When you choose TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service, you're gaining a partner in your real estate success. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help your listings shine. Check the video description for details on how to reach us.